Guys, I wanna end my live already. All the love don't are like this. Please, please, please. Oh my god, I wanna end my live, but there's a lot of people in here. What's going on? There's something wrong here. Guys. I know how to judge me. I know how good it tastes. It's funny and it's ironic. I only feel the way I promise that you're different. But everyone makes mistakes, and that's all. I had a girl and actress, so I was kind of guy. What if there were wins? Been holding out tonight, now tell me just your culture. I never roll her eyes, yeah, I know. All unshakable. Please, don't prove I'm right. Hello, Ross. Muncie Roy, hi, you know me. You bring me, you tears me, you make it so nice. I'm in something where it goes. I have fun, I day, but need to just stay inside. Muncie Roy, you know me. But really, follow them misteryoso. Di pa rin nabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapakita, taliwas ang iyong. Pero ayaw kang magduda, baka lang sa simula. Maghihintay na lang, kay tamaan. Sana ay maibsan ang aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayoko mas. Hello, good morning, Portugal. Okay. Hi. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan? Huwag ang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Ang tunay na How are you, Sexy and XXX girl? What's that? Sa'yo na bibitin, salamin sa dingding. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye, guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow night. See you tomorrow. Wait. Hey, Blink. Hi.